Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by putting hardware and accounts in place so you can move fast. Plug your Esp32 into the PC and confirm the board enumerates. Once done, create a Blynk Iot account and sign in. Make sure to install the Arduino IDE or Platform I/O and add the Blynk Iot library. This provides the helper functions. Finally, register a new device in the Blynk console and copy the auth token to a text file. You will paste it into firmware later. Now you'll construct the dashboard and flash the board so controls work. Open Blynk console, create or choose a template, then add widgets like buttons, sliders, or value displays and map virtual pins. In your sketch, declare Wi-Fi SSID and password and insert the auth token. This tells the Esp32 which project to join. Make sure your IDE selects the Esp32 variant and the correct COM port. Then compile and upload. Watch the serial monitor for connection logs to confirm successful pairing. Finish by validating every control and securing the build so you can rely on it. You should operate each widget from the mobile dashboard and see immediate responses on the Esp32. Latency under 1 second is normal on local Wi-Fi. Once verified, enable OTA updates or apply SSL for production and keep a copy of the working firmware. If something fails, the key troubleshooting step is to inspect the serial monitor for errors. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.